Welcome to my Fetching Art channel. Drawing and painting is a rewarding and enriching process that can improve creativity, observation skills, and even problem solving abilities. Whether you are a beginner or looking forward to more basic things, it encourages you to really look at the world around you. You start noticing details, light, shadows, texture, and proportion that might go unnoticed otherwise. The practice of drawing improves hand-eye coordination and precision, benefiting overall motor skills. Creating a detailed drawing requires concentration, patience, and the ability to work through challenges. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is a skill that improves with practice. Start with simple exercises and over time challenge yourself with more complex subjects. Keep a sketchbook and try to draw daily even if not only a few minutes. Learning to draw and painting is a journey that takes time and dedication. Thanks for watching this video.